Ever wondered what the future holds for smartphones? Say hello to the iPhone 15 series, a game changer in the world of mobile technology. The iPhone 15 series, the latest masterpiece from the tech giant Apple Inc., has arrived, and it's creating quite a stir. This isn't just another smartphone, it's the epitome of innovation and sophistication, packed with state-of-the-art features that are bound to leave you in awe. The tech world has been buzzing with anticipation, and rightly so. With each new release, Apple has consistently pushed the boundaries of what's possible, and the iPhone 15 series is no exception. It's not just a phone, it's a revolution in your pocket. The excitement surrounding its launch is palpable, and it's not hard to see why. Apple has once again set the bar high, promising an unparalleled user experience that will redefine our relationship with technology. Stay tuned as we delve into the remarkable features that set the iPhone 15 series apart from its competitors. First things first, let's talk about the design and display, which is nothing short of a visual treat. The iPhone 15 series is a marvel of engineering, boasting a sleek design that is both modern and timeless. Its all-glass body, a signature of the iPhone series, is made from the most durable glass ever in a smartphone, offering a premium feel and look. But the real showstopper here is the Super Retina XDR display. It's larger and brighter than ever before, pushing the boundaries of what's possible on a smartphone screen. Featuring a resolution so high, it's like holding a professional quality monitor right in your hand. This magnificent display enhances every aspect of the user's visual experience, from browsing photos, watching videos, to playing graphics-intensive games. With its stunning design and display, the iPhone 15 series promises a user experience like no other. Moving on to performance and battery life, brace yourselves for power like never before. The iPhone 15 series is not just about aesthetics, it's a powerhouse. At the heart of this beast lies the A15 Bionic chipset, an engineering marvel that ensures lightning-fast performance and seamless multitasking. Whether you're gaming or working on an important presentation, this chip is designed to handle it all with ease. The A15 Bionic chipset is all about delivering a performance that is smooth, fast, and efficient. But what about battery life, you ask? The iPhone 15 series has got you covered. With an improved battery life that lasts longer, your phone can keep up with you, no matter how long your day is. And with the fast charging feature, you're never far from a quick power boost. In terms of performance and battery life, the iPhone 15 series has definitely raised the bar. Now, let's take a look at the camera and other features that make the iPhone 15 series truly remarkable. Imagine a camera that captures life in all its vibrancy, richness, and detail. That's exactly what the advanced camera system of the iPhone 15 series does. With its improved night mode, even the dimmest settings are bathed in clarity and color. The cinematic mode gives your videos a professional touch, making every moment feel like a scene from a blockbuster movie. And then there's ProRAW. This feature allows you to take professional-grade photos, making every shot a potential masterpiece. But the innovation doesn't stop there. The iPhone 15 series also boasts of features like the ultra-secure Face ID, the intuitive and feature-packed iOS 15, and the lightning-fast 5G capabilities. These aren't just features, they're tools that empower you to capture and create, to communicate and connect, to explore and enjoy. With these features, the iPhone 15 series takes smartphone technology to a whole new level. As we wrap up, let's summarize what makes the iPhone 15 series a class apart. First, its design is a perfect blend of elegance and durability, with the sleek contours fitting comfortably in your hand. The display is a visual treat, boasting of a promotion display with HDR10 for incredibly vivid colors and crisp details. Beneath the hood, the A16 chip unleashes a powerhouse of performance, making every task seamless and fast. The battery life? It's phenomenal, easily lasting a day and then some, thanks to the efficient iOS and power management. But the true gem of the iPhone 15 series is the camera. With advanced computational photography and ProRAW capabilities, it captures the world in high definition, making every moment a masterpiece. Add to these a host of other features like Face ID, 5G connectivity, and the ever-evolving ecosystem of iOS apps. There you have it. The iPhone 15 series, a giant leap in smartphone technology. Stay ahead of the game with the future of smartphones in your hands.